Hey guys, we're doing a crane service today on the auto crane that I have mounted on my truck. I changed the hydraulic motor a little while ago. So that controls the rotation. This is the pedestal, this is the base of the crane. And so this controls the worm gear inside here, which controls the brass gear that changes the direction. So it rotates left and right. This broke and I changed it, and ever since I changed it I've had a small leak, so finally got around today to taking all these lines off and doping and tightening up some fittings that are in there and then putting it all back together. The other thing too as well is because it was leaking, I've run low on fluid, or at least I assume, because it's not full all the way up. The next thing I want to do on this thing is the crane pedestal. It's only welded on one side. A friend of mine and I made this when I went down to the States to pick this up, but there was lots of room for me to just still do things. No shade on him, he did a great job, and we just had a limited amount of time. Yeah, we'll weld the inside here, we'll weld down in there, and we'll keep filling this thing up, and then we'll do a little test run to see if these guys here are still leaking. All right, so our fluid's full. Made a properly good mess, taking out all the lines and filling this thing up. So I'm definitely gonna give this a pressure wash after we test everything. Yeah, next up, let's do a little bit of welding. Okay guys, so we got our welding done. Scratched a little bit of spray paint on it. Our fluid's filled up. run the crane a little bit. I'm not seeing drips, but it is pretty wet up there already. Before it was leaking down pretty good, but I'll wash it and run it again. I got it hooked up to a booster pack because I have all the oil drained out of the truck right now, so I'm doing an oil change. But, okay, I'm not seeing any drips, so that's good. But yeah, it does run a little bit faster on a 14 volt source. This is probably only at like 10 or 11 volts. But yeah, I can't start it because, you know, drain oil. But yeah. Battery's starting to go. It'll start clicking off here soon. I'm gonna finish my oil change and then I'm gonna go offload a piece of plate with it. Just make sure everything's good. We got a job coming up and we gotta put a gate up, so I'm confident it should be alright though. Thanks for watching.